G'day everyone, Alex here from Paperform, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a YouTube video to your form. Adding a video to your form will make it that much more engaging. And the process of adding a YouTube video to your form, well, it's incredibly easy. We've got two methods we can follow, and the first we consider a shortcut. So from your form editor, navigate to an empty line, type a / followed by video, then hit enter or select the video type from the drop-down options. Then you'll just need to paste your YouTube URL in, and that's it. The second method, let me quickly delete this. And again, we'll want to navigate to an empty line, but this time we'll select the add video icon from the left-hand side. Now, let's paste in our YouTube video URL, and voila, that's it. We'll save this and jump onto the live view of our form, and voila, it's that easy. If this has been a helpful video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for all things Paperform. Good luck and have fun creating.